What if I told you that the buildup inside your arteries, the very thing linked to heart attacks and strokes, might not be as permanent as you think? And what if, starting today, you could actually help your body begin to reverse it naturally? That sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand something most people never hear from their doctors, and more importantly, what simple steps you can start right now to support your body in breaking down arterial plaque. Welcome to Dr. Waterling Hub, where we simplify health so you can take control of your life, one smart decision at a time. Now, let's clear something up right away. When we talk about plaques, we're referring to fatty deposits made of cholesterol, calcium, and other substances that stick to the walls of your arteries. Over time, these deposits can narrow your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow. This condition is known as atherosclerosis. And yes, it's serious, but here's the part most people don't realize. Your body is not passive. It's not just sitting there letting damage happen. Your body is constantly repairing, rebuilding, and even dissolving things that don't belong, if you give it the right environment. Think about it like this. If you cut your skin, your body heals it. If you get a bruise, your body clears it. If you gain fat, your body can burn it. So why wouldn't your body also have the ability to reduce plaque buildup? The truth is, it does, but there's a catch. Most people are unknowingly doing the exact opposite of what their body needs to activate that process. Let me explain. Plaque doesn't just appear overnight. It builds up slowly over years, often due to chronic inflammation, poor diet, lack of movement, high stress, and unhealthy lifestyle habits. And here's the key idea. If plaque builds slowly, it can also break down slowly. Now, I want you to imagine your arteries like a pipe. If you keep pouring grease, sugar, and toxins into that pipe, it clogs. But if you stop adding those things and instead flush it with clean, healthy inputs, the pipe can gradually clear itself. This is where things get really interesting. One of the most powerful tools your body uses to deal with plaque is something called HDL cholesterol, often known as the good cholesterol. HDL acts like a cleanup crew. It travels through your bloodstream, picking up excess cholesterol from artery walls and transporting it back to the liver, where it can be processed and removed. So in simple terms, HDL helps pull plaque out of your arteries. But here's the problem. Most people have low HDL levels and high LDL levels, the bad cholesterol that contributes to plaque buildup. So instead of cleaning up, their system keeps adding more. Now let's talk about what you can actually do, starting today, to shift this balance. First, let's look at what you eat. Your diet plays a massive role in whether plaque grows or shrinks. Highly processed foods, trans fats, and excess sugar fuel inflammation and plaque buildup. But whole, natural foods do the opposite. Foods rich in fiber, like oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables, help remove excess cholesterol from your body. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, can actually raise your HDL levels. And then there are omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon. These are powerful anti-inflammatory nutrients that help stabilize plaques and reduce the risk of them rupturing, which is what often leads to heart attacks. Now here's something simple you can try right now. Increase your water intake. It might sound basic, but proper hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood flow and reducing strain on your arteries. When your blood is thick and sluggish due to dehydration, it makes everything worse. But when you're properly hydrated, your circulatory system works more efficiently, and that's a small but meaningful step towards supporting your body's natural repair process. Now let's talk about movement. Your body was designed to move, not sit all day. Regular physical activity helps increase HDL cholesterol and improve circulation. Even something as simple as a brisk 30-minute walk can make a difference. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need extreme workouts. Consistency is what matters. And here's something fascinating. Exercise also helps improve something called endothelial function. That's just a fancy way of saying the inner lining of your blood vessels works better. And when your blood vessels function better, they're more capable of resisting plaque buildup and even helping reverse it. Now, before we go further, if you're finding this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Dr. Waterling Hub for more simple, science-backed health insights that can truly change your life. Because small changes, done consistently, can lead to powerful results. Now let's talk about something people often overlook: stress. Chronic stress isn't just mental, it's physical. It increases inflammation, raises blood pressure, and contributes directly to plaque formation. When you're constantly stressed, your body stays in a fight-or-flight mode. And that's not a state where healing happens. That's a state where damage accumulates. So taking time to relax, whether it's through deep breathing, meditation, prayer, or simply unplugging for a while, is not a luxury. It's part of your health strategy. Now here comes an important truth. Plaques don't usually just disappear overnight. This isn't magic. This is biology. But studies have shown that with consistent lifestyle changes, plaques can stabilize, and in some cases even shrink over time. And stabilization is huge, because unstable plaques are the dangerous ones, the ones that can rupture and cause heart attacks. So even if you're not completely reversing plaque, making it stable dramatically reduces your risk. Now I want to address something carefully. There are a lot of claims online about miracle drinks or one ingredient that melts plaque instantly. Be cautious. Your body doesn't work that way. There is no overnight cure. But there is a powerful combination of habits that work together over time. And that's where real results happen. This content is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. So always talk to your healthcare provider before making major changes, especially if you have existing conditions. Now let's bring it all together. If you want to support your body in dissolving or reducing plaque naturally, focus on these core actions. Eat real, whole foods. Stay hydrated, move your body regularly, manage stress, improve your sleep. Sleep is another big one, by the way. Poor sleep increases inflammation and disrupts your metabolism. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Your body does a lot of its repair work while you sleep, including processes that affect your cardiovascular system. Now here's a question I want you to think about. If your body has the ability to heal, why not give it the best chance to do so? Most people wait until there's a serious problem before they act, but prevention and even reversal starts long before symptoms appear. And here's the encouraging part. No matter where you are right now, small changes can start making a difference. Today, not next week, not next month. Today, start with one habit. Drink more water, take a walk, swap one unhealthy meal for a healthier option. That's how transformation begins, not with perfection, but with consistency. And over time, those small actions add up to something powerful. Your arteries don't need perfection, they need support. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Waterling Hub and hit the notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you live longer, feel better, and take control of your health. Because the truth is, your body is always listening to what you do. Every choice you make sends it a message. The question is, are you helping it heal or helping it struggle? The power is in your hands, and the best time to start is right now.